say you know Indian law.
Come see that man go there. Also imagine that make.
Why
you don't see?
Why you say I fix my lift to India? They must marry me. You know they hear me.
One woman marry 2 men. I wanted it to.
One man's married 2 men. You dey hear English? One man married 2 men. I thank the Lord for the special English that we speak in this place. So many people would have been jailed. All right. Now woman, they call her small woman with big voice. Not be only say her voice big, she actually get them for different countries represented, different continents. Now she carry for that her small voice. So okay, ladies and gentlemen, all the Naija people, the Naija picking, especially those that are mouthing in this very parish, please put your hands together with a standing ovation. Welcome the magician of the day, Helen Paul. They clap for you, small. They're wrong. You know, she they demonstrate. Oh no, sorry that you people cannot see that very manifestation.
No, they see her because as I talk to you, so we go still stream her live online, and the only way when I fit see her are for www.naija102.com. So you go see everything where they happen now. So Helen Paul they ask, and my mosquito don't tell her say she be magic chan. Also, not just a comedian.
Magic chan.
Okay, now magic chan in terms of also the musician. Then now small picking. Stop that.
In fact, you know, it's one of my colleagues. Wait, one of my colleagues, when he hear your music for you, he said, man, he said, what if one day he marry you, then he can't wake up middle of the night, you they laugh that laugh. You gonna run, come on for us. Alright, Helen Paul, aka Tata 4-day house. Thank God na Friday she can't run things with us for the studio this morning. Yeah, Naija people don't clap for you. So Helen Paul, I'm a kid.
Oh my gosh. As now told me some of I will come here. I said, oh my gosh. I know you say.
Wait, you say my waiting.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
It's a English.
Okay.
For our powerful laugh, we'll let us speak English. We know Pascal laugh first. You understand?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Hey, good morning, Heffrin Burning. Crescenta. I don't do motherhood. I
do wifey wood.
I don't do picking wood. Now how the wood do wood? Now here they do. But the one where go bring money pass. Now here they look now. Why no fashion? They say master of a jack of a train. Or you they talk and what we are not they understand that. What you say why I know we say now that they lie. Because it's me, it's too plenty. Then when you bought us will get how many brain. Where we get? I know for not many what I get. But all the same, sir, now for the money.
Okay. Tatafo. Now food money they find. Even though they form presenter too. Now they say food money all of us. The man with the video you now food money is there they find.
On a hunger.
On the economists. Now make a.
You know why she wear back? I don't dress finish. Why suit? You can't carry this ring for office. I said this ring.
Oh.
Just to support the
career. Lipstick. Everything goes. But still on the matter, Tatafo, comedy for you. Not be. You know, say you first start with this evil voice where they use now. You know, so now you first start that year. Because I remember when you come our office one time for corporate words.
Where be your office?
For your office that time now. When you come,
okay, when I don't make at that time.
He won't tell you why now.
He don't make once. He don't make once. He don't make once that time. Actually, Joe. You can't use one voice. As they talk, now we say who be that one. With some of us there.
I know they know how to catch dollars. I know they disturb myself.
Okay. Hey, Tatafo, you talk to save your money not complete. You know they go on top stage. Okay, myself, I like that idea because you know why.
What issue that's wicked with?
Not be wicked.
It's not wicked.
The way of the
I don't say wicked. Okay.
See, let me tell you. After what they do, we got babu for inside.
We got what?
We got babu inside. The babu is
Babu or Bible?
Now you talk right. They say Wisdom is cross good.
To direct.
Some people able to direct.
The English is helpful for my man.
They have
For
for
pidgin, talk about pidgin.
He said this thing where they do our head, memory card.
Apollo.
He full. But if person won't call you some, make somebody they take small, they use them. Make it they take sense, they do
Because if you go do that wedding finish or do that event finish, when they tell you so they will give you your money later, you can't they call the husband, you can't be like say, guy, you know, say I just left for my honeymoon.
No, forget the call they tell you say hello, I understand, I know you should understand right now. You see, I need to be open to you like a sister. You can't see whether the form sister or brotherhood now. You see, even the hall, can you believe it? That I've not even paid for the hall. I am in debt now.
That was?
I am in debt. Alright, 102.7 Naija FM now on a day. Money runs live with the show. Thank God na Friday. Helen Paul, Tatafo Day inside the house. To make sure so on a Friday, no loss. We'll go sample one of Helen Paul music right now. And bros, what's going on there?
We'll play Helen Paul music now. We'll come back. If I don't recover first,
we'll sample out.
When I don't recover, finish. And then come get Lafo Queen, we could come.
Which Lafo Queen you won't get again?
Come on, you know what?
Although your throat don't hook, just Helen Paul never.
I know don't he's such in person. I don't like it.
Let me tell her.
I don't like it. So see, it's people that are talentless. You don't have talent. They always abuse people.
I better go.
You don't abuse everybody for yet. Then you did talk like that. Anyway, we'll talk about Bedu. Bedu now one of the track, actually the track one for among the 3 singles where Helen Paul just released now, and I actually see the video. I don't know of all the money Helen Paul don't make. If you see us, whether na beg go, whether na command go. If you see us, they tell money, they discipline money, say now only her make money come meet. I don't know what's your plan. Why are you so selfish?
Now so now people that are not talented, now so they guide their money.
See this is how they abuse me. You like walk up 96. Back when you like the person come back.
I had a Bedu by Helen Paul when they come back. Helen Paul.